wish that I could fly away.
Hey Furies, let's get straight into it. Today I'm going to be installing this beautiful wig by Yolova Hair. I hope I said that correctly. Can we get into the package? No. Let me show you guys this unit. This is a 24-inch, I believe it's water wave. I will put all the description information in the description box down below. We're gonna start with the bald cap, okay? Today your girl is using a stocking cap. Yes, we're gonna go through all the steps together. You guys, I low-key feel like what am I doing? I low-key feel like I slayed this install. Like, why is this step so necessary though? Like, I used to laugh at people doing this on Instagram, but now I know that it's like key. I'm just spraying my hairline with Got To Be spray so the stocking cap can adhere around my forehead area. And I'm just cutting off the excess edges, making sure not to cut my hair off. I was so geeked about this install, you guys. So I went ahead and used foundation on the bald cap. I did try to bleach the knots on this wig, but I didn't know what I was doing and I didn't want to mess it up. So I ended up putting foundation on the wig as well. And I feel like it worked out really good. Like, once I put it on, you guys will be able to see. So I'm just putting it on just to see how it feels, see how I want to style it, see if I wanted a middle part or if I wanted a side part. Definitely feeling a side part. You see how the foundation just goes through the lace? It's like super transparent, which is pretty good. I'm still new to everything, but this was a really easy experience. Like, I thought it was going to be harder, you know, due to the fact this is a full lace wig. Well, it's not full lace, just the front area is lace. See? Like, it's giving scalp, okay? So this is a major key that I found out with frontal wigs. Cutting off the edges around your ears instead of trying to save the whole wig is so important. One, it adheres so much better. Two, it doesn't irritate your ear area. Like, you legit have to cut into the wig a little bit to customize it to your hairline. Like, that is so important. I wish somebody would have told me that a long time ago. But anyway, the show must go on. I'm just cleaning up that area, making sure that it fits really well around my ears, because your girl wears glasses, okay? Glasses can't be poking up with the frontal. That's not cute. Gonna take a little bit of Got To Be spray. Got To Be gel. And I'm putting a thin layer around my hairline. I don't really like Got To Be, you guys. I need a really good hair glue that isn't hard to take out, but still like holds. Got To Be, I be mixing the spray, I be mixing the gel. It does not hold for me. I don't know if it's like I got an oily forehead. I did wipe my forehead off with alcohol. Still don't do no justice for me. The moment I sweat, it starts sliding right on back. But anyway, I'm just making sure my ears can poke through, making sure it's like correct and everything, you know, around my forehead, my hairline, because, you know, we don't want it to look bumpy. All right, no bumpy frontals. I'm taking this comb and I'm just making sure like it adheres really well, because I didn't have one of those band thingies for like around the hairline, so I had to improvise. Anyway, I'm gonna start cutting off the lace. I'm being very gentle, very slow. This is like freaking surgery, you guys. Like, making sure you cut out the lace perfectly around your hairline to make sure you don't mess up the wig, you don't mess up the baby hairs, the edges. It's like surgery. You gotta take your time. So I'm taking my time with these, using my little scissors. These scissors are godsend. If you're getting frontals, make sure you have those little scissors. They will save your life. See, this right here is what I mean with the Got To Be. It just don't be holding. Like, I want to use Ghost Barn or gummy glue. I think that's what it's called. But I know those last for days. And sometimes it be too hot and I be wanting to just snatch it off. I'll look into more. If you guys know any good ones, please comment them down below. I'm just putting on a little bit more spray and I'm adhering the wig to my hairline or my forehead. Don't worry about that white excess stuff around the edges. I'm going to clean that up with some alcohol. And I'm literally just going to repeat the process on the other side. Okay, so now it's time for the baby hairs. You guys, I was so proud right here. Look at that. Tell me that's not giving scalp. Tell me that's not giving scalp. Like, I can't cuss because, you know. Anyway, I slayed right here. Like, look at that. When it comes to my edges, like on my frontals, like, I don't want it to be too dramatic. So I just cut them pretty short. Just playing around with it, and I thought I did really, really well. They weren't annoying, but they weren't too over dramatic. I like to do my edges with foam wrap just because it gives a softer hold versus using got2b or using gel to make it crunchy. Like, using foam wrap is so key. It's just annoying, but anyway, ignore me. I'm going around the hairline. As you can see, like around my hairline, I didn't push the bald cap, or I didn't use enough foundation on the bald cap, so it's kind of a little bit like lighter underneath, but that's fine. It's cool. We're not tripping because you're not really gonna see that anyway. So I'm cutting off the excess hair, and I'm about to start laying my edges. This bottle, I know it's the BB foam wrap, but it's really just Lotta Body. I just put some Lotta Body in a foam bottle just so it would foam up. And it does a really good job. It gives a really nice soft hold. So when it dries down, you can actually comb through it and it stays like that. And it doesn't look cakey or hard like some frontals do. And I'm just, you know, doing a little natural swoop. Nothing too crazy. I'm going to take a little foundation powder because we got to make sure that part is a little bit fuller, or appears a little bit fuller, just because the part was like a little bit on the thinner side, and I didn't want to pluck the wig just because like I'm not that experienced with that stuff. So I was like, let me just use some foundation powder, and I think it looks pretty good. Like, I feel like it's giving scalp. Like, I was so proud of myself. Like, I'm not no arrogant Tay, I'm no Jonathan, but I feel like I ate this wig up. Anyway. This hot comb, child, I don't know how y'all be dealing with this. Look, this hot comb is hot. I barely pull this thing out. I usually only use it for my wigs. It is hot, okay? I burnt my forehead before on this, and it, oh my gosh, can't do it. But it made the top of the wig look so flat. I was so geeked. I did get that on Amazon. I will link that down below for you guys. Here I'm just spraying the wig with a little bit of water. I didn't use any like heavy products or anything, just water to emphasize the curl pattern. The curl pattern is beautiful, by the way. The hair is soft, no shedding. Look how it all just like clumps together. I'm obsessed with this wig. It's funny because I have it on right now during this voiceover. This is how it's looking. I'm going to show you guys the final result though with my face beat. Bam. Look at that. Look at that. Tell me I ain't eat that wig up. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and all the details will be in the description box. Bye.